let's do an unboxing. I got a sweater from Bad Omens and it is one of my favorite bands. I am so excited. I actually got to get something from this collection. I've been wanting a sweater from them for a while and I finally got one. Of the packaging usually takes me forever to get open. I probably should have brought scissors in here, but we're just gonna go with it. And I got it extra big so I can wear it like a sweater dress. Try it on and what the front looks like. And then this is what the back looks like. I love my sweaters like super big, so that way the hood is nice and comfortable too. Yes, I am super excited. It's nice and comfy. Bad Omens, I will see you guys October 9th. I cannot wait.